Hi guys, Sean here, and today's video we're going to look at something that, well, I didn't even know was a thing on YouTube until 3 days ago, and that is YouTube chapters for your videos. Oh man, that is too energetic. What is going on with me today? So let's just think to ourselves, why are YouTube chapters so important for your videos? So let's just, for example, say you've got a 20-minute clip and you've got one viewer that clicks on your video and goes, I'm going to watch every second of this video. No, that's not going to happen. YouTube chapters are a system on the sort of like bar that, you know, the red little thing that goes along the screen. You can segment your video into basically parts so people can go to the pieces that they may need rather than watching the whole thing, and you might lose a viewer because of that. So without further ado, without me rambling on, because for some reason I've got so much energy today, let's go to the screen and have a look how you actually do this. Right then guys, to add a YouTube chapter to your video is actually quite simple. So let's just take a quick look at the buffering bar. So you can clearly see here that I've got no chapters as of yet. But if we take a look at the description box, you can clearly see that I've got a few timestamps already put in there. So all you need to do is sign into your YouTube account, because you've got to make sure that you're signed in so you can actually edit the video. Click edit video and it's going to take you to this page right here. Now you can access this page through a longer way by going through the YouTube studio button, but honestly this is just the easier way. So you can see that I've got my timestamps in the box just here. Now all you're going to have to do is put 0, 0, 0 just like that, and I'm just going to call this start of video just for the sake of this tutorial, if I can actually spell like that. Now once you've done that, literally all you need to do is just literally click save, let it go through, click view on YouTube once again, and when you go onto your video, you are now going to see, you can see the segment start video, first kill, close call, and right at the end here, sniper kill. Now it literally is as simple as that, guys, but this is a really nice little feature so people can see the different parts of your videos, so they're not wondering where to find bits and stuff like that. And well, there you have it, guys. That is actually the video for today. Very short, very simple, and straight to the point. That is what we like to see. YouTube chapters though, make sure you go put them in your videos, because it is going to allow people to actually want to see the parts of the clip that they may want to see. Remember, you make a YouTube video for your audience, not for yourself. So think of the audience at hand and make it more accessible for them, because they're going to stay on your videos, and you never know, maybe check another video out, and that is what we want. Guys, if you want to find me live on Twitch during the week and sometimes on the weekends, the schedule and the link for my Twitch will be in the description box below. Go follow my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram, my TikTok. Yes, I am on TikTok. I actually quite enjoy TikTok. It's quite fun. And yeah, guys, stay fancy. Have a nice evening and go put some YouTube chapters on your videos. Get that growth. So, today's video, we are going to talk about affiliate status on Twitch. Now, I became affiliate quite early on in my starting of becoming a streamer, which was amazing. I was overwhelmed. I couldn't believe I became affiliate within the first 2.5 months of being on Twitch. And I wouldn't have been able to do that without the community that I've got today. I'm going to help you guys and share some of the tips that I did that really helped me become affiliate in the first place.